Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the next 50 bits of the June 2020 Mass Communication and Journalism paper 2. So as I told you, on a piece of paper mark the area and rate the area according to the number of times a question has appeared in this paper, so that in the end it will be useful for the weightage of the areas, and this will help you in preparing for your examination. So let's start with the first question. Which news element is sometimes described as the basic news value? The correct answer is negativity. Among this, the correct option is negativity, because softness of events cannot be the basic news value. Grapevine is informal communication, and corporate publicity, obviously it cannot be a news value. The next question. In a print media organization, the staff functions include. What are the functions of in the print media organization? So these are the functions. The correct option is A, B, C, D. Finance, legal, personal, and public relations. Obviously, in a print media organization, you have a finance department, you have a legal department, you have the HR department or personal department, and even the public relations department. So these are the staff functions in a print media organization. The next bit, advertising sensitive issues like AIDS and environmental awareness fall under. The correct answer is corporate social responsibility. Because we are advertising sensitive issues like AIDS and environment, because these come under these social responsibilities of any firm. Techniques which are commonly used in continuity editing are. So what are the techniques used in continuity editing? The correct answer is BDE. We use the 180 degree rule, then match cutting we use, and eyeline matching. So these are the basic principles of continuity editing. The next question. Which of the following do not require the application of confidentiality in media research? Basically, observation in public places, activities in public places, and then information in public records. So basically this does not require the application of confidentiality in research. Next question. From the sales angle, a good and effective advertisement should. The correct answer for this is 4 DEF. It should attract attention, it should arouse curiosity, and it should transmit a congenial message. So understand the questions. From the sales angle, what are you trying to do? An effective advertisement should attract attention, obviously. Arouse curiosity, yes, people should be curious about that ad, and then transmit a congenial message. Very simple. Again, advertising. In advertising, the credibility of the source is judged on two dimensions. They are, the correct answer for this is B and D, in the cognitive dimension and the affective dimension. Moving on. Web 2.0 applications allow users to become, basically Web 2.0 allows users to become autonomous producers. Basically everyone nowadays is a content creator in the web. Moving on. Development of underdevelopment is described as a capitalistic expansion, zero-sum proposition, and core periphery relations. The other options you can just eliminate. Political compulsion does not come under development. Ideological divide, no. And then byproduct of media dependency, no. So the correct answer for this is capitalist expansion, zero-sum proposition, and core periphery relations. The next question is an assertion and a reason question. The assertion. Media grammar represents one of the basic foundations of media studies. Yes, media grammar represents one of the basic foundations of media studies is true. Reason. An understanding of media is dependent upon an understanding of the unique presentation of the messages of each medium. So yes, the reason is also correct, and The correct option for this is number 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. While selecting a product, what is a consumer mostly prone to? Basically, when you are selecting a product, the consumer is mostly prone to his habits. What is the process of using promotional tools in a unified way so that communication synergy is achieved? So, using of promotional tool in a unified way, basically the answer is integrated marketing communication. The next question, a crime story consists of the following elements. This is another question from your classroom. A crime story consists of a description of what happened, the offense police believe the suspect has committed, and the name and the age of this suspect. So the correct answer is A, B, E. Events that occur suddenly and fit well with the news organization's schedule are most likely to be reported. Which news value does this explain? Events that suddenly occur, the correct option is disruption. The next question is a match the following. On one side you have element and the other side you have description. So cartoon, logo, tear out and supplements are the elements. Cartoon is used to liven up the pages, and logo is used to identify particular sections. Tear out are for future reference, and supplements are special content pages. So if you read the glossary of practical journalism by Veer Bala Agarwal, I think this will be covered. Terms related print media also you should cover. Terms related to electronic media also you should cover. Because normally these things comes in the match the following, or it could be a direct question. Which of the following are true of requirements for a newspaper? The answer for this is 3, BDE. A newspaper, it can be issued periodically. It must contain only news, and then it can contain comments on public news. So obviously it has to be issued periodically. It can contain news as well as views. The next question. Manuel Castells argues that social organization of global society is organized as networks. So Manuel Castells is famous for network society. The next question is an assertion and reason question. Assertion, media oligopoly is a reality of the 21st century. The statement is true. The reason, technology induced hybridization of analog and digital media is consolidated in the control of few rich and powerful owners across the globe. The assertion is true that yes, ownership is now becoming in the hands of few, as well as the reason is explaining the assertion properly. So the correct answer for this is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Very simple. Media concentration, the question is about that. The next question, when is it said that an advertisement has worked? So obviously when it delivers specific results that meet the stated objectives. So every advertisement or advertising campaign has stated objectives, and the results have to meet with the stated objectives. So the correct answer is 3. The amount of damages in the cases involving defamation depends on the factors such as, the correct answer for this is ABC, social position of the plaintiff, nature of imputation and mode of publication. Laws are very important. Defamation, they have asked n number of times in the examination. So 499, 500, please read those sections. The next question, what is the difference between communicative action and strategic action? So the answer for this is 4. Communicative action tries to achieve mutual understanding. Strategic action colonizes other people's life world and is manipulative. The next question, in what way public relations is similar to journalism? Basically public relations, you interact with people, they gather information from different sources, and then their objective is to change people's attitude. So the correct option here is A, C and D. Match the following. On one side you have newspaper and the other side you have the country. Which newspaper is from which country? So the correct option here is 2. Der Spiegel is from Germany. Bravo is from Russia. National Observer is from Australia, and The Economist is from United Kingdom. So which newspaper is from which country? Which news agency is from which country? That is also very important. The next question. What kind of media is defined by Wang and Dissanayake as a communication system embedded in culture which existed before the arrival of mass media and that still exists as a vital mode of communication? So the correct answer for this is folk media. So folk media existed before the arrival of mass media and still exists as a vital mode of communication. The next question. Performance based advertising is specific to online. Online, if anyone clicks on your link or your post, then only the client is charged. So if you do a Facebook ad campaign, you can automatically understand that it is based on performance. Identify correct chronological order of the following Trans-Border Broadcasting Corporation. So broadcasting corporations, you have to arrange it in the chronological order. So the first one is Voice of Russia, then you have BBC World Service, then you have All India Radio, and then Voice of America. So chronological order of organizations are also very important. The next question. The dominant paradigm of development was criticized for. Basically the answer for this is it was pro-West, it was ethnocentric and cultural imperialism. So yes, dominant paradigm was pro-West, it was ethnocentric as well, and cultural imperialism was one of its criticism. A survey that attempts to explain why certain conditions exist is known as an analytical survey. Moving on, the social categories perspective of communication is based on a collection of stereotypes held by social scientists. The next question. Arrange in the correct chronological order the following publications of the pre-independence era. So the correct answer for this is DBCA. First it is New India, then Swaraj, then Forward, and Free Press Journal. What is the series of decisions involved in delivering the message to the target audience called? Here the correct option is media planning. In communication, the project of self is a concept developed by John B. Thompson. Immersive media have emerged from online media. Very simple. Optical storage technology uses light in the form of lasers. So this again very simple. It has repeated. It has come in the paper 1. Now it has come in paper 2. The Indian civil law does not recognize, number 1, the right to privacy. It is not recognized by the Indian civil law. Originally, the copyright concept came into being under a common law. Copyright was introduced by the British, so please study the history of laws as well. The next question. Which one of the following is beyond the functions of advertising from the advertiser's perspective? The correct answer is selling the product. What are the main components of public relations? Media relations, publicity, and community relations. So the answer is A, B, C. The next question. Identify the sequence of elements in the Johari window. So Johari window is a very important question. It has come so many times. So the correct answer for this is open, and then blind, and then hidden, and unknown. So number 2. Which of the following are the main stages in public relation research? So the correct answer is 4. The issues of forecasting, knowing the public, and planning media use. The last 10 questions are passages. If you want the question paper, give a direct message on Instagram. So here are the 10 questions. What will be the perceived feature of ICT? The correct answer is a support to a specific political order. Next one, the Global Information Society emphasizes on expanding IT benefits to society. How do people consider skilled occupations? The answer for this is increase in employability in media industries. What will be the effect of ICT on economy as defined in the passage? The correct answer is ushering in radical social change. What is the trend in new millennium? The answer is admiring the benefits of ICTs. Media industry will become more efficient if there is government intervention to regulate media in public interest. Even though pragmatism rejects constants, why does it play a different role in American context? The answer for this is because American media should respond to the unique contingencies which are contextual. The First Amendment to the American Constitution guaranteed freedom from government control. This you can give it as a direct answer. Quality regulation of media means consideration of both political climate and social norms. When it comes to media regulation, what is the status of pragmatism? Certain factors are contingent on each other. So guys, these are the 100 questions of the June 2020 Mass Communication and Journalism paper. Now your job is to weigh the areas and study those areas. All the best guys, keep working hard and thank you.